Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another video in my Dollar Tree sticker series. So I hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm having a blast trying to figure out how to use the stickers and how would they look on a card. So let's get started. So today I have two cards to share with you. And first off, let me show you one of the cute little die sets that I've used. It's this Lawn Fawn die set. I'm not sure of the name of this one, but cute little frames that I wanted to use. And then I like to say the star of the show is the Dollar Tree stickers. So I used these cute little stickers there with the big-eyed puppies, and I thought they were really cute. I had this in my stash for a while, and I thought, hey, why not make a cute puppy card? So first up is this adorable little one. It has some wild colors on it. That pink is pretty loud, but I thought it was cute. And then this little puppy is adorable. And I have the polka dot frame backed with some really pretty silver glitter. Paper is from my stash. The glitter paper is from Cricut. It's the only glitter paper that I use because it doesn't shed. So what do you think of this little cutie? I thought she was adorable. But then I made a slimline card, and I also use, let me show you these cat scrappiness stitch scallop nesting slimline dies. So I used this on the next card. So here it goes. Super cute. We got three little cute doggies here with the frames. I did the frames in the glitter, and then this polka dot in the back. I used the die twice with the white and the black, and I think that really sets it off because most of the, all three of the dogs have black in their little pictures. So no sentiment on the front, super simple, but I think it's adorable. So that's card, the second card. And let's look again at the first card. So let me know below which is your favorite card. I haven't done a slimline card in a while, so I was excited to do this one. So let me know if you like the cards below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.